Hey guys, here we are with a deadlift and the proper technique that goes into it to minimize risk of injury for the lower back and to activate the musculature that is actually needed for this exercise. So what you're going to do is start with a kettlebell or a weight or maybe even the bar, but essentially you want the bar or the handle of the kettlebell kind of in line with the crease of your toes, your metatarsals there. So my feet are about shoulder width apart. I'm going to grip with my toes, think about twisting in at the ankle joints and also sliding out. So you should feel your muscles activate before you even start to move. Then you're going to brace your core nice and tight. You're leading with your butt back, having a slight knee bend, so you don't have to lock it out. Slight knee bend, hinge as far as you can, sticking your bottom out. Feel that stretch in your hamstrings as you're going down. Here, once you grab your object, you can squeeze your shoulder blades back, grip with your toes, still maintain that, and then follow the same path in which you had done to get down, and just repeat down and up with this. So this weight is 50 pounds here. So for those that have low back injuries or someone that can't lift a heavier load, what you can do is just start with the lighter load and then just practice the fundamentals of just hinging properly without letting the lower back round. If this is all you have, 50 pounds, you can also now try to transition to a single leg deadlift, or a kickstand deadlift. So my feet are still going to be parallel, and I'm going to pretend like I'm on a parallel track here, and then just kickstand my foot. So my toes are here, the path of the weight should be the same, and all the weight should be added to the front portion of this leg. The weight will kind of fall over the toes here, keeping your lower back as straight as possible. Nothing changes from here to here. And the purpose of this is just if you had lighter load to put more stress on a single leg. So you'll, instead of divvying up that 50 pounds amongst two legs, it's on one, and you'll feel a lot more stress working on that hamstring if you have lighter load, but variation that you can do within your workout as well. Thanks guys.